Here's another side effect of the run up in used car values. It's eliminating, for some people, negative equity. There's an article from Subprime Auto Finance News where they track different factors and different trends in the auto finance industry. One of the biggest problems with dealerships and even with car buyers is if you have a vehicle that has a loan, in most cases, you're going to owe more than the car is worth, right? So if you have a car that's, let's say, worth $10,000 and you owe $15,000, if you go to trade it in, that negative equity or that negative $5,000 has to be added onto the new car. And sometimes that's a challenge because the lender might not want to finance that much on the new car or the pre-owned car that you're replacing it with. But this run up in used car values is giving a window of opportunity to where some or all of that negative equity might be wiped out. If that $10,000 car is now worth 12 or 13 or 14, well, now you only have to hide $1,000 negative equity in the new car transaction. This is a really good opportunity for people who are in a vehicle that they don't really like, that has a loan on it, that they want to flip, where now they might be able to be closer to zero negative equity or break-even equity to get into a new car. And usually on a car purchase, the dealer can find a way to handle a couple $1,000s of negative equity, maybe a little bit more on some vehicles. But this is a way where the used car market going through the roof will help buyers and dealers put together more deals when the negative equity used to be an insurmountable problem. Now it might be able to be eliminated for somebody to get into a new car.